This person right here makes more than $18,000 just by typing names in a month. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can start making more than $100 in a single day, and you can end up making more than $10,000 in a month just by typing names if you keep working hard, because I've seen a lot of people making more than $10,000, $5,000, $3,000 just by typing names. So listen to me very careful and see how we are going to do this step by step. Okay, so first of all, you need to go on Google and search cute baby names, then click here, top 200 cute names for girls and boys. On this page, you'll be able to see a lot of names, as you can see here, cute, charming names, magical and cute baby names. So you need to write down at least 20 names. You have to choose any name that you like on the list here, and you need to write down, you need to copy somewhere at least 20 names or 50 names. It's up to you. You can choose 20 names, 10 names, or 50 names. It's up to you. And right after choosing these names, you need to copy somewhere, or you need to write down for you to start typing this name and getting paid a lot of money. And it can be boys' names, girls' name. And after writing down these names, you need to go back on Google and see what else people are searching about babies' name. People are searching a lot of terms about babies' names, as you can see on the screen there. People are searching about what is the cutest name for girls, what is the sweet name for boy. These are search terms that people are searching on Google, and this is very important for you to understand and very important for you to know. All these key terms people are searching for on Google about babies, so it's very important for you to understand what people are looking out about babies on the internet. This is very important. Okay, so after writing down all these names and after knowing all the key terms that people are searching for on Google about babies' names, this is the places that I'm going to show you how you can start making money just by typing names about babies. And it's very easy way for you to start making $100 a day, and you can end up making up to $1,000 or $10,000. As I showed before, people are making up to $18,000 just by typing baby names. It's very easy. Let's dive in together and see. Hey friends, my name is Hans David. I talk about side hustles and how to make money online. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. Thank you so much. So our very first step, you need to go to youtube.com and you need to create your account if you don't have one. If you don't have any Gmail account, you need to go to YouTube and you need to create a Gmail account. It usually takes a few minutes, and so I'm going to try this. As you can see here, I'm writing my names, and this is the name that I'm choosing to write, Baby Lovers 2311, and I'm writing my password right here, and I'm going to wait for verification code. And after a few seconds, our account is ready. It's very easy. It usually takes like 2 minutes or 3 minutes for you to create a Google account. So this is what happened to me. Only 2 minutes, my account is ready right here, as you can see. This is like the best way for you to start making money this year. So just waiting for me, and we're just going to do this together so you don't have to worry. And I'm going to make this way easier for you to start making money. And just after our account is ready, so you need to click on your profile picture, then you need to click create channel. And you can choose any name that you want. It has to be babies related. Right now you're creating a YouTube account, so you need to choose any name that related to babies. So let's ask ChatGPT and let's see what's the best name for our kids channel. And I'm asking ChatGPT right now. ChatGPT replied to me. So on this channel, we're going to use this name as a channel name, Baby Bundles. So let's write here, Baby Bundles is our channel name, and you need to go ahead and search for free pictures on Google that you can put on your profile, because we don't have a profile picture right now. So you need to go on Google and you need to download any free picture that you think is good, and we're just going to choose this picture. We think this one is good, and you need to go back on YouTube and you need to click upload. Then our account has already been created within just a few minutes. Right after creating your account, you need to remember those names that you wrote somewhere, that you copied somewhere, and you need to edit short video. Then you need to upload on your channel. So you need to go back on these names that you wrote somewhere, and you need to write all these names on a very short clip that you can create or you can edit through multiple applications that are available on your mobile phone. There are a lot of applications that you can edit video, It can be KineMaster or CapCut, or if you're using laptop right now, you can just edit your video through Filmora, because this is what I'm using right now. So I'm going to use this program which is called Filmora, and I'm going to edit this video in a very short time. But you can use any application that you have on your mobile phone, or you can use any program that you have on your computer for you to edit this video. Just edit this video, just write these names in a video format, then you can export this video and upload it on this channel, and after that you're just going to get a lot of money. Just wait for me. As I told you before, I'm using Filmora to edit this video, but you can use an application that you have on your mobile phone or you have on your laptop. If you don't have any, you can go ahead and download KineMaster or CapCut for you to start editing on your mobile phone or laptop. So let's start by choosing the good colors and good fonts. Then I will write all the names that I copied from Google. I'm going to write all this name on this program. This whole process, it can take very short time, as you can see here, and you really don't have to get confused, because you can use any application that you think it's easy. For me, I prefer to use Filmora, but you can use an application that you think you're familiar with. Right after done editing this video on your application, you need to go back on YouTube and you have to upload this video. For those who don't know how to upload this video, you need to go on YouTube and on the top of your page, click right here, then upload video. You're just going to take that video that you exported from any device that you use. It can be your mobile phone or your laptop. You need to upload this video right here, and it's uploading right now, as you can see here. And you need to go on Google and you need to find any picture of baby, any baby pictures that you think is good and that you think is going to attract different people who can see your video. So I'm going to choose this picture right here, and this picture, I'll be editing this picture for thumbnail, for a cover photo that people are going to see and click on my video. So I'm going to choose this picture, and after that I'm going to write good words, as you can see here. Cute baby names in 2023. This is what I write on my thumbnail, and after that I'm going to upload my thumbnail right here, and then my video is already published on my channel. This is my channel that I created in a very short time, so you have to do that. And I'm going to show you after 24 hours from now how many viewers I'm going to get just after creating my channel. Hey, I'm back again. So I was really happy and excited to see how many viewers I'm going to get after creating this channel. And I created this channel just to show you it's really possible. It's really not hard way for you to start making money just by typing names and posting these names on YouTube, because I've seen a lot of people making decent amount of money, as I showed before. So I'm going to see how many viewers I got within 19 hours just after creating my channel. So I got 4 viewers. For me, it's a lot of viewers because I have experience on YouTube. I had this channel, it passed a whole week without getting even 1 viewer. So it is really good sign for me that you can get a lot of views just by writing names, just by typing names, and you can start making decent amount of money. People are making decent amount of money, and the good thing about this channel, you really don't have to show your face, because it's really not easy for people to show their faces on YouTube. They're really afraid to do that. So the easy way for you, the easiest and the laziest way for you to start making money in 2023 right now, you can just keep going on Google and you can see all these search terms, what people are looking for about baby names, what is the very most common thing people need to know about babies. So you need to go on Google, you need to start looking out the best keywords that can help you to get a lot of views. There are a lot of keywords, as I showed before. People are searching about the cutest name about boys, the sweet names for baby girls and stuff like that. So this is like the best way for you to start making money in 2023, and you really don't have to wait and say that, oh my god, I'm not doing this. This is your perfect timing. If it was really hard for me to create a YouTube channel, I couldn't do this video, but I did this video within just a very short time. I created this channel, and just within 24 hours I got this kind of views, only 4 people, which is a lot of people. Just imagine how many viewers I'm going to get within 1 month, how many viewers I'm going to get within 2 weeks. So it's really good thing for you to start making money right now, and you really don't have to find excuses because you can do this on your mobile phone. Thanks so much for watching my videos. My name is Hans David, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks so much.